Take a shot though, because that was a laugh. Apparently.
That was funny.
What's another name for coming inside a woman?
What? You look worried to say the answer of this. This might be the end of our friendship, Hamo. I want to hear the joke again. I don't even... What's the joke again? I've forgotten it. You've been laughing for so fucking long.
What's another name for...
Coming inside of a woman, yeah.
Coming inside of a woman.
What?
Loading the dishwasher. Loading the dishwasher.
Doesn't get better when you say it twice, bud.